Okay, I think I'm too high right now. Oh, haven't said that in a long time. Okay. Here we are at the other side of the panels, right at the topmost point. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Shimoda Life. I'm John, and on this beautiful summer Sunday, I've got a daunting task ahead of me, and you're looking at it. I've got a single task. It's probably, I hope it's not going to take too long, but it's going to be awkward. It's going to be probably itchy. I couldn't find a clean shirt with long sleeves this morning, so it could get scratchy, and I'm really not looking forward to it. But what I've got to do is get some water over to this side of the property where I'm going to be doing concrete work, and I just need water here. As if you've seen the previous videos, you know that my water main is at that end of the property. And from here, it's about 100 meters, I think, along the winding road. So I've got to somehow, I don't think I have the hookups for it yet, but I just got to lay the line, garden hose. I've got to lay the line from somewhere over there near the main and or the pump, and then kind of weave it through the trees over the midsection of the mountain to come down somewhere around up here. And I don't think that distance is 100 meters. I'm hoping it's not, because my hose is only 100 meters. So there's going to be probably a lot of head cam in this video, because I don't know how much I can set up the tripods and such up there. So bear with me. Let's see how this turns out, okay? Now, how do I do it is the thing I've been thinking about. There are two ways, and I've seen pros do it the first way a lot. I haven't seen anybody do it the second way a lot, but I think that's maybe the default for me. The first way is to hang this somewhere, preferably on a rod, and pull out. Keep the reel stationary and pull the hose out. I think the easier way is to tie off the end of it up there, and then carry the reel and unroll the reel as I walk, which is gonna be a pain, okay? I'm gonna walk this first. I'm gonna walk up here. Actually, no, I'm gonna walk over here because I know this trail, and see if I can visualize the end path before I lug the reel over there. So that's where I want to go. I wonder if I can go across the midsection of the panels. I don't know. I've got to go over there. Yeah. These paths, which the pigs run on, are 2 shoe widths wide. I think often of the explorers in the Yucatan. Several years ago, I took a trip to the Yucatan and 3 months in Central America. And I read up on it beforehand, did a lot of reading, and discovered these diaries, travel reports, etc. of their escapades. And I thought any possible exploring trip, camping trip that we have today pales in comparison to what they went through. Malarial jungles, mosquitoes the size of dragons, endless bush. So, like I said, before this latest experience, I thought nothing we did in the modern day could rival what they went through. But folks, I'm beginning to change my mind. Okay, I think I'm too high right now. Oh, haven't said that in a long time. Okay. Here we are at the other side of the panels, right at the topmost point. Okay, well, I didn't discern any kind of straight path. We're in midsummer, super dense growing season right now. So it's really hard to see the path, even the paths that do exist, the pig trails, they're getting covered up with ferns and fronds and big fat leaves. Everything that you see here. Okay, yeah, this is the easternmost end of the livable land. Straight over there is the potential house location. Straight down below me is the Jumbo, the parking area. Okay, yeah, this is where I want to be. And actually, this would be a perfect place for a water tank, water storage, water reservoir location. Look at these big, beautiful rocks. Okay. So yes, this is definitely where I want to be with the water, and I see a trail. There's a pig trail right there. Yes, this is where I want the hose to run. It's relatively flat over there. So I've got to get to here, and hold on, where's the center point of the panels? Can you guys see that? Haha, okay, yes, I can come straight across the panels, the midpoint of the panels. I've got quite a bit of a hike upward right here on this little stretch. It's probably about 20 meters. But then as soon as I get to this spot, actually just this spot right here, it's downhill again. And I think my pump can handle this. I don't think just the city water pressure can, but I think my pump can. So, okay, I've got it. I can come straight across the middle of the solar panels and then come up here, this little pig trail. Okay. This is fun. In a way, yes. In another sense, holy God, no. But anyway, this is we're making progress. I've managed to get the hose up to this side of the solar panels, the high point. I've got a perfect horizontal hanging branch there, which I can hang my own spool from, and the hose will unroll freely as I pull it down directly behind the camera across the solar panels. you're too perfect. Too perfect. Now. Okay, wind coming up. Come on, how are you gonna roll? How are you gonna unroll, sport? Oh, this is not pretty. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. You really want to piss me off, don't you? Oh, come on. I need a second person here. I need somebody unrolling this. Excuse my language. I need somebody unrolling this thing. I can't believe it. This was... You were destined to be perfect. I have a couple of choices. One is just tug and tug and tug and get really frustrated and just, you know, do my best and probably get really angry and do a bad job. Or maybe even accomplish it. The other option is to go find a sleeve that'll fit over that tubing that will allow the hose to unroll. We've got one last kick at the can here. See if we can make it work or not. I went to the store and I bought a piece of PVC pipe, and it's supposed to work like that. So that's a roll. Okay. This is what I thought. And you're on backwards. Yeah. It's pulling. It's gonna unravel until it comes off, you know, it just spins off of the spindle, because it will. There's nothing holding it, there's nothing keeping it secured to the two loopholes. Yeah, so this is already spinning off a little bit. I'll go back down to the truck, bring up some tools and the aforementioned device, and we'll try again. Small steps to success, folks. Small steps. I got two little brackets that I bought at the DIY shop, and I'm going to put them on the ends here to keep the bands in place. Oh shit. I tested these at the store on a pipe which I thought was the same size, and I bought one size smaller so that I could fit the pipe in, give it some room, and it's too small. Oh, god damn. God damn, god damn. Oh, Jesus. Today is just a comedy of errors, folks. I'm going to call it a day. It's almost 4 o'clock now. I got up here at just after 9. I thought this would be a quick and simple activity, and it has just confounded me. I'm going to leave this all here. It's not hurting anybody. It's my land. I can do what I want. I'm going to leave this all here, figure out the clamp situation, come back with a friend or somebody at some stage and give it another try. I'll update you when that happens, but for now, let's just call it a day. Have a good one. Thanks for joining me till now. And just see what happens. Look at that. Look at that. This isn't going to work. I need 2 people here. Yeah, it spun right off. It has already spun off the sleeve. Right there.